Hey everyone, this is Ryan on Facebook Live and Instagram, coming to you live today to show you our brand new subscription box that we've been working for you guys. Can you guys believe that it is already May 1st? I find that unbelievable. The time is absolutely flying by. And so if my count is correct, this is our 15th subscription box. And so we have tons of essential oil content on godoilspies.com. And so if you have not heard about our subscription boxes, or if you are not one of our amazing subscribers, head over to godoilspies.com right now and get subscribed, because we have tons of new content, and this month is no different. We have Karen, our certified aromatherapist. Hey, Kathy, how you doing? I appreciate you always joining us. Kathy is always with us live on Facebook, so thank you, Kathy. So Karen, our certified aromatherapist, she worked really hard on this subscription box to perfect these recipes. Hey, Debbie, how you doing? And so we have put together an absolute great collection of recipes that will help you spoil yourself. And we all know that Mother's Day is coming up in a couple of weeks, and spring is here. Flowers are blooming. The trees are blossoming. It's just beautiful. And so, what a perfect time of the year to spoil ourselves. And so, we have put together a Spoil Yourself collection for the month of May. Hey, Tracy, how you doing? Thanks for watching us live on Facebook. And so I'm going to get to what is in our subscription boxes, but let me just reiterate a few things. Again, this is our 15th subscription box. We have been doing this a long time. Hey, Carrie, how you doing? And so if you are not one of our subscribers, go to godoilspies.com, check it out, because this is the best value in essential oil supplies. Not to mention, it is the easiest. And so a lot of people are kind of hesitant when it comes to subscriptions, but let me tell you, we have the best subscription service anywhere. You can subscribe, cancel at any time, change your shipping information, your credit card information. You can skip a month if you like, and so we make it super easy for you to join our subscription program here at God Oil Supplies. We make it really, really easy. And so we have two options for you guys. We have an oiler box, which is for personal use, which is $19.95 a month. And it is great. Hey, Lisa, how's the weather up in Michigan? I hope it's getting warm up there. And so we have an oiler box, which is $19.95 a month, which is for personal use, which is great. We send you all the label sheets, the recipe sheets, the containers that you need to make the collection for yourself. And then we also have the builder box, which is $39.95 a month, which are for people that are building their essential oil business. And so if you're like a wellness advocate with doTERRA or Young Living or Amio or any of the MLMs out there, and you're trying to grow your essential oil business, the monthly builder box is great. We send you multiple sheets of the recipes, multiple sheets of the labels. That way you can have like a make and take workshop class and share your essential oils with your friends, families, and neighbors. It is a great way to share your essential oils. And we make it easy. We take the guesswork out of it. We come up with the recipes, we come up with the labels, we have the containers, and we just ship it to you automatically each and every month for those low prices of $19.95 for the oiler box and $39.95 for the builder box. And it is a great value. Let me tell you that our builder box, it has always been valued at least $60 retail. So at $39.95, you're getting 33% off. And this month is no exception. Our builder box does retail at $60 this month. And so let's get to it. I'm gonna show you guys our brand new Spoil Yourself collection right now, and we are gonna start with our oiler box. So the first thing, and let me also mention this to you. So we've had a few subscription boxes where we've used our glass tubes. I'm going to grab one right here. So these glass tubes are so much fun. They are great for so many things. They're perfect for gifts. They're the perfect amount for like a foot scrub, like a foot soak or bath salts. These are perfect. And so this will be the final subscription box that we have these for a while. We don't have these scheduled to be in any other upcoming subscription boxes that we have scheduled so far. And so this will be the last month to get some amazing glass tubes inside of your subscription box. And so so you're going to get 3 of these. Let me back up, because I always start with the labels. I think you guys would agree that the high quality labels that we put out are the best. So I'm going to start out with the labels. We're gonna start over here. All right, I'm going to hold this up. Hopefully there's not a glare. There it is. See how beautiful these labels are? We try to come up with a new design each and every month to keep you guys coming back and loving your essential oil products. And these labels are no different. So our graphic designers worked hours and hours to put these labels together for you guys. And so in your oiler box, which again is for personal use, you will get one of our label sheets. And so we got labels for all the containers that we send to you guys, for the bath bombs, and I'm going to get into the recipes later. But we have all the different size labels that you guys need. Plus, right here, on this side right here, we always include the lid stickers on our label sheets. And so you guys don't have to worry about buying extra sheets of labels for lid stickers. We include these beautiful labels and the lid stickers on a sheet. So you get one of these label sheets in your oiler box. And so let's keep the good times rolling. Let me show you the recipe sheet. So this is our recipe sheet. So Karen, again, our certified aromatherapist, she has come up with 6 amazing essential oil recipes that you need to pamper yourself. And let me tell you that these have been tested. These are amazing, and you do not have to worry if these recipes will work, because these recipes are awesome. So this is a 2-sided full color recipe sheet. We have recipes for our bath bombs, and so we have our stainless steel bath bomb molds right here. And so this is included in the oiler and the builder box, and I'll talk a little bit more about the builder box later. And so you will get in your oiler box 1 sheet of labels, 1 recipe sheet, and you'll also get this bath bomb mold inside of the oiler box. This is perfect for making our bath bombs. And so maybe you guys have tried making some bath bombs at home. I know I have. I've tried out lots of recipes, and sometimes they just don't work. But I guarantee you that these recipes are amazing. So you guys are going to be so excited to try making these bath bombs at home. And so you will get the stainless steel bath bomb mold inside your oiler and builder box. We also have a detoxifying clay mask, which is meant to go in this 50 ml glass cream jar, which you will get inside of your oiler box. So you can see that label fits perfectly right on the lid of that 50 ml glass cream jar. So this detoxifying clay mask is great. You guys are going to love it. The next recipe that Karen has designed for you guys is a glowing skin body scrub. And so again, it goes inside of a 50 ml glass cream jar. The labels fit perfectly on the top. Look gorgeous. This will add to the decor of your master bathroom at home. And so this glowing skin body scrub, amazing. I know I say it a lot, but this is amazing. So, and then on the back, we have bubbling bath salts, fizzy bath salts, and a peppermint foot soak. And so, and you can see that we have the labels already on these 50 ml glass tubes. So this one's for the fizzy bath salts. They look amazing. Here's the bubbling bath salts. And last but not least, let me swing over to this side, is our peppermint foot soak, which I love. So right there is our peppermint foot soak. So these make great gifts. They come with the cork on the top. So if you want to share your essential oils, these are a great way to do it. You can share these peppermint foot soaks with your friends, families, and neighbors, and they're going to love it too. Guaranteed they're going to love it. And you may be like, okay, Ryan, what else do we get? And so we have some other new products that we're throwing inside of the oiler box for this month only. And so we are including a lava necklace absolutely for free inside the oiler box. And so I'm going to hold this up so hopefully you guys can see that. So it's a beautiful gold necklace. It has this gold feather on it, plus these 2 black lava beads right here. Now those lava beads are perfect for absorbing essential oils. And so what you're going to do is you're going to put a drop or 2 of your favorite essential oils right on those lava beads. And the porous surface is just going to absorb the oil and slowly diffuse it throughout the day. And so this necklace right here, which is not on the website, this is a brand new necklace that is only available in our subscription boxes. You are going to get this in your oiler box. And we're also going to throw it in the builder box because I know you builders out there don't want to be left out either. So this beautiful lava necklace is going to be included in both of our boxes this month. And as always, for convenience and just because sometimes you don't want to keep them, but we always throw in free pipettes and free funnels. These funnels are a lifesaver. And sometimes when you just need a drop of oil, these pipettes are great because you don't have to remove the orifice reducer in your essential oil bottles to get the oil out. And so these pipettes, you can insert them inside of the orifice reducers and just works out awesome. So you get those freebies. And then, of course, last but not least, every month we include a surprise. Unfortunately, I can't share with you what is in our May subscription boxes as far as the surprise goes, but it's going to be a surprise. Every single month you get a surprise. How fun is that? So just to recap, I'm gonna just read down the list so that way no one has any confusion. So this month in our Spoil Yourself May subscription box, in our oiler box, which is $19.95, you're going to get 3 of the 50 ml glass tubes. You're going to get 2 of the 50 ml glass cream jars, the brand new stainless steel bath bomb mold, the brand new lava necklace that is only available in the subscription box. You'll get 1 recipe sheet, 1 label sheet, the pipette funnel, and of course a surprise. And so you get all that for the low price of $19.95 in your oiler box. Great deal. Go, get it now. Spoil yourself this May. You are going to love it, hands down. So let's move on to the builder box because a lot of you guys subscribe to the builder box because you're trying to grow your essential oil business. And I tell you again, the builder box is the best deal in essential oil supplies because every month we ship to you tons of products for only $39.95. And again, you are getting at least a $60 value each and every month with your builder box. And so it's awesome. It is awesome. So what we are including in this month's builder box is we decided to up our game a little bit and throw in something new, some extra stuff, because you need sample bottles, sample vials, sample jars in order to share your essential oils. And so what we're going to do in our builder box is we're going to include 12 of our 5 ml glass cream jars for samples. And so normally a lot of people we include the plastic cream jars, but this month we're giving you guys these glass cream jars. And so what is great about this is so you can make, for example, your glowing skin body scrub, or you can make some of this detoxifying clay mask and then divide it up into these little 5 ml glass cream jars and share them with your friends, families, and neighbors. Let them try your essential oils. That is the best way to get them hooked. And so these sample bottles are perfect. And so you're going to get 12 of these 5 ml glass cream jars in every builder box. And you remember how I told you, like, we include the lid stickers for free on every single label sheet? I mean, it works out perfect. Just throw a little lid sticker on top of this little 5 ml bottle. That way whoever you're sharing your essential oils with knows, hey, this is a detoxifying clay mask. I know exactly what that is. Or, hey, my good friend just gave me some glowing skin or body scrub. And so use the lid stickers on these little sample bottles. They are great. Okay, so you get 12 5 ml glass cream jars in every builder box. And then in the oiler box, like I mentioned, you get 1 label sheet. But in the builder box, we give you 12 label sheets. And so you get 12 complete sheets. There's these 8 labels plus the 8 lid stickers. You get 12 entire sheets of labels in your builder box. And that means we also give you 12 recipe sheets as well. So you get all these sheets that you can use in your make and take classes, your DIY workshops. You can give these away. They are yours for you to use, and so you get 12 of these sheets as well. And so obviously you're going to keep one of those sheets for yourself, right? And so if you don't have one of our content management system notebooks, go get one at godoilspies.com. These are only $10. It comes with all the dividers, everything you need, all of our recipes, labels, list sticker sheets, booklets, they all fit inside of our content management system notebook. And so if you're getting the builder box, you need to have one of these organizers in your home. So again, all of our labels, list stickers, booklets, recipe sheets, everything fits inside here. See, look at that. Look how nice this is to keep your essential oil supplies organized. You don't have to leave piles of labels and recipes sheets lying around on your desk. Just put them in these awesome little binders that we have made for you guys. And so yes, Lisa, you do need one of these. They're only $9.95. Go get one at godoilspies.com right now. So we got the 12 sample 5 ml glass cream jars, 12 label sheets, 12 recipe sheets. You also get the 3 50 ml glass tubes because everyone wants to make this collection for themselves. So you'll get your 3 tubes, your 2 50 ml glass jars. And the builder boxes also get, like I mentioned earlier, you will also get our brand new stainless steel bath ball mold, which is awesome and super easy to use. And you will also get our gold feather lava necklace, absolutely for free, included in every box. And it's just kind of just a fun gift. You know, we try to do new and different things at God Oil Supplies. And so you guys want a lava necklace? We're going to throw in a lava necklace in our subscription box, included in the price, no extra charge. And of course, for our builder boxes, we always include like the pipette and the funnel, just like the oiler box. And you also get a surprise. You get all of that stuff for only $39.95. Again, this month it is a $60 value for only $39.95. And the great thing is that when you subscribe to either our oiler box or our builder box, it gets shipped out to you automatically every month. Every month we come up with new collections. We have new recipes, new labels, new containers, and we just ship them to you automatically every month. We make it so easy for you to use your essential oils. And so that's what we're here for. We're here to help you learn how to use your essential oils, and we give you the supplies that you need to do it. And so we appreciate all of our customers here at God Oil Supplies. Again, we strive to put out the best essential oil supplies for you guys. And so if you are unfamiliar with our subscription service, go to godoilspies.com, check out our subscription boxes. And if you are one of our happy subscribers, please share it with your friends, families, and neighbors. Let them know, like, hey, this is the best deal in essential oil supplies. You're going to want to check this out, subscribe. Because we work really hard to put out this amazing content for you guys. And so I want to thank everyone that joined me live today on Facebook. If you have any questions, please comment below. You can always send us a message. We're available by email, telephone. You can message us on Instagram. We are here for you. And so we're not going to leave you in the dark as far as customer service goes. We want you guys to be happy with your essential oil supplies. So we want to earn your business here at God Oil Supplies. And so again, happy May. Happy early Mother's Day to all the mothers that are out there watching this Facebook Live video. Enjoy spring. Go and spoil yourself. And if you're not one of our amazing subscribers, go and subscribe today and start getting in on these amazing deals that we put together for you guys here at God Oil Supplies. And so, hey, thanks again for everyone that watched. Share this video. Share it with your groups. We really appreciate it. Until next week, everyone have a fantastic May. Bye-bye.